Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Soap Lift is probably one of the most innovative and practical solutions for keeping your bar soap dry and long-lasting, preventing that mushy, wasteful mess that often accumulates in soap dishes. This ingenious little device elevates your soap, allowing air to circulate freely around it, which significantly extends the life of your favorite bars and keeps your sink or shower area cleaner and more hygienic. If you're tired of soggy soap and want to make the most out of your products, then this is definitely something you'll want to check out. Number 5. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets Fresh Scent. Discover a revolutionary way to do laundry. Earth Breeze offers a powerful clean and a convenient, eco-friendly sheet. Say goodbye to plastic jugs and messy liquids. Our innovative sheets are completely liquidless and biodegradable, making them kind to the planet. Don't let tough stains and odors win. These sheets are formulated to tackle even the most stubborn messes, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. Experience a deep clean without irritation. They are gentle enough for sensitive skin while remaining incredibly effective against dirt and grime. Lightweight and compact, they are ideal for travel. Use them in hot or cold water cycles, in any washing machine, for ultimate convenience. Enjoy a refreshing scent with every wash. Each package provides 60 loads of powerful, eco-conscious cleaning. What we like. This is a revolutionary laundry solution that eliminates plastic jugs and messy liquids. If you're looking for a sustainable and convenient way to do laundry, especially for travel or small spaces, this is it. It dissolves completely in water, leaving no residue and a fresh scent. What people say. This product is great for keeping bar soap dry between uses. The design allows for good air circulation, which prevents the soap from becoming mushy. It's a simple yet effective way to extend the life of your bar soap. Number 4. ZOMCHI Exfoliating Soap Bags. Tired of mushy soap bars? Our exfoliating soap bags are designed to give you a deep clean. They help extend the life of your bar soap while providing a rich lather. Stop wasting soap. These savers keep your bar intact and create a luxurious foam. It's the perfect way to get the most out of every bar. Experience a superior lather with every use. Simply place your bar soap inside, wet it, and lather up for a refreshing shower experience. Our soap socks provide gentle exfoliation to reveal smoother skin. They are perfect for daily use in the shower or bath. These versatile soap pouches are ideal for your daily cleansing routine. Enjoy a cleaner, more invigorating shower with less waste. What we like. This product is designed to enhance your shower experience with a satisfying lather and gentle exfoliation. If you enjoy a good scrub and want to make your bar soap last longer by creating a rich foam, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want to get the most out of their favorite bar soaps. What people say. The soap lift allows air to circulate around the entire bar of soap, which helps it dry faster and last longer. It keeps the soap from sitting in a puddle of water, preventing it from becoming mushy and extending its lifespan. The design of the soap lift elevates the soap, ensuring it dries completely between uses and maintains its shape. Number 3. Kitsch Bar Soap Saver Pouch. Are you tired of your shampoo and conditioner bars turning into a mushy mess? We have the perfect solution to keep them fresh and usable for longer. This patented mesh bag is designed to extend the life of your beauty bars. Simply place your shampoo or conditioner bar inside and let it work its magic. Say goodbye to soggy soap and messy sinks. This saver pouch prevents your bars from becoming waterlogged, keeping your shower clean and organized. Make an eco-friendly choice with our recycled beauty bar bag. It's a sustainable way to enjoy your favorite hair care products. Enjoy your shampoo and conditioner bars until the very last use. This pouch ensures they stay fresh and ready whenever you need them. In a refreshing mint color, this bag adds a touch of style to your bathroom. It's as practical as it is pretty. What we like. This is a patented mesh bag that keeps your shampoo and conditioner bars from getting mushy. If you're tired of a slimy soap dish and want to make your solid beauty bars last significantly longer, this is the solution. It's ideal for eco-conscious individuals who want to reduce waste and keep their shower organized. What people say. It keeps my bar soap from getting mushy and extends the life of the soap. This is a great little product that allows air to circulate around the soap, helping it dry out between uses. The soap dish is designed to allow water to drain away from the soap, keeping it dry and preventing it from becoming a slimy mess. Number 2. 2 sets with magnetic bar soap holder. Tired of soggy soap? Introducing a game changer that suspends your soap, allowing it to air dry completely. This innovative design is more convenient and practical than traditional soap dishes. Embrace a clean, organized space with its minimalist floating design. It takes up minimal room while a powerful magnet securely holds any size soap bar. Say goodbye to wasted soap. Its self-draining feature ensures your soap stays dry, preventing it from becoming mushy and doubling its lifespan. Installation is a breeze. No drilling or tools needed. The strong adhesive mounts securely to various surfaces like wood, glass, and marble. This set includes 2 magnetic soap holders, making it a thoughtful and practical gift for family and friends. Upgrade their shower experience today. What we like? This innovative holder uses a magnet to suspend your soap, allowing it to air dry completely. If you want to eliminate soggy soap residue and extend the life of your bar soaps while keeping your shower neat and tidy, this is the product for you. It's perfect for those who appreciate a clean aesthetic and practical design. What people say. Keeps my bar soap from getting mushy and lasting much longer. It allows the soap to dry completely between uses, extending the life of the bar. The design allows air to circulate around the soap, preventing it from becoming a slimy mess. Number 1. Snowkingdom Beige Soap Saver Holder. Tired of mushy soap? Introducing our innovative Soap Saver Holder. It's designed to keep your bar soap dry and extend its lifespan. Featuring a unique porous construction, this holder allows water to drain effectively. This ensures air circulation around the bottom of the soap, preventing it from becoming soggy. With a simple and modern design, these holders are available in various colors to complement your bathroom decor. They are a practical and stylish choice for any home. Crafted from soft, non-BPA, non-slip PVC, these soap savers are built to last. Cleaning is a breeze, simply rinse them under running water. Perfect for your bath sink, kitchen, showers, or tubs. You can even trim them to fit any travel soapbox or soap dish, making them incredibly versatile. This convenient 4-pack ensures you have enough for multiple locations. Experience the difference a dry soap bar can make. What we like? This set of 4 pads is designed to keep your bar soap dry and extend its lifespan. If you're looking for a simple, effective, and affordable way to prevent soap from sitting in water, especially in busy areas like showers or kitchens, these are a great option. They are durable, easy to clean, and fit most soap dishes. What people say. Keep soap from getting mushy and lasting longer. Help soap dry out between uses, extending the life of the bar. The design allows air to circulate around the soap, preventing it from becoming a slimy mess. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.